So, ang dami nagtatanong kung bakit Charlie and Chino yung pangalan ng twins. And nung nagbabasa ako ng comment section, meron ako dito isang nabasa. Sabi niya, I just realized what Chino named after. So, alam daw niya kung bakit Chino yung pangalan ng isa sa kambal. And sabi niya din dito, as you can see in the video, their dad is wearing a Deftones t-shirt and their vocalist name is Chino Moreno. I assume he's a big fan of the band and named his son after him, which is tama. And nakita din daw niya yung leg tattoo ng kanilang daddy na merong malaking Deftones. And di naman namin in-expect before na kambal sila. So, isa pa lang yung naka-reading name. So, nakapag-decide kami nung Charlie pagkapanganak ko na. And yung Charlie naman nakuha sa kapatid niya, which is name niya is Charlotte. So, siya yung nag-suggest na bakit hindi Charlie. And in fairness naman, di ba, bagay na bagay sa kanila yung kanilang name. And yun yung history ng kanilang name. Yun yung reason kung bakit Charlie and Chino.